In this lab, we are going to study how to design and construct an RC low-pass and high-pass filter by selecting appropriate components. There are three objectives of this lab. First, we will analyze and measure the cutoff frequency of a series RC low-pass and high-pass filter. Next, we will design and construct a simple RC low-pass and high-pass filter for a cutoff frequency of 5 kHz. Next, we are going to sketch the body plot for the low-pass and high-pass filter using graphical techniques. I will begin with the introduction. First, what is filter? A filter is a circuit that is designed to pass certain range of frequency signal and reject others. There are two types of filter that you will study. One is passive filter and other is active filter. The elements used in passive filter are resistor, capacitor and inductor. The maximum gain of the passive filter is unity. The type of filter is active filter in which you use the op-amp ICs to design a filter. Their gain is always greater than unity. There are four types of passive filter that you are going to study in ECA2: low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, and band stop filter. The low pass filter allows only low frequency to pass, while high pass filter allow only high frequency to pass. Whereas band pass filter allows specific band of frequency to pass, and band stop filter stops specific band of frequencies and allow rest of the frequencies to pass. Before I begin further, you need to be familiarized with some of the basic terms. First, what is frequency response? The frequency response of a circuit is the variation in the circuit behavior with the change in signal frequency. Transfer function. The transfer function of a circuit is the frequency dependent ratio of a phasor output to a phasor input. Here h of omega equal to y of omega over x of omega. Body plots. Body plots are semi-log plots of the magnitude in dBs and phase in degrees of a transfer function versus frequency. Cutoff frequency. The frequency at which the gain becomes 0.707 times of the maximum input is called cutoff frequency. It is also called the half power frequency as the power of the circuit is half at this frequency. Low pass filter. A low pass filter only passes low frequency and rejects the high frequencies. The low pass filter only allows low frequency signal from 0 Hz to its cutoff frequency point to pass while blocking the higher frequency. This is the frequency response of the low pass filter. Here you can see the filter is passing the frequencies from 0 Hz to its cutoff point, and here it is denoted by the name of pass band. You can see here that after the cutoff frequency, the filter start rejecting the frequency. Here you can see the decreasing slope of the gain. So you can say that after the cutoff point, the filter start rejecting the higher frequencies. This is the phase response of the low pass filter. The phase of the low pass filter varies from 0 to minus 90 degree, and at the cutoff frequency, the phase of the low pass filter is minus 45 degree. Here you can see a 3 dB point at the cutoff frequency. So at the cutoff frequency, the gain of the filter is 0.707, or in dBs you can say it as 3 dB. Here the power of the filter is half at the cutoff frequency or minus 3 dB point. Here this is the pass band and this is the stop band. High pass filter. A high pass filter only passes the high frequencies and rejects the low frequencies. The high pass filter only allow high frequency signal from its cutoff frequency to infinity to pass while blocking the low frequency below its cutoff frequency point. Here you can see here that FC is the cutoff frequency and the filter start passing the frequency after its cutoff frequency point, and before the cutoff frequency point the filter was rejecting the low frequencies. This is the phase response of the high pass filter. The phase of the high pass filter varies from plus 90 to 0. At cutoff frequency, the phase of the filter is 45 degree. Here this is the 3 dB point where the gain of the filter is 0.707 or minus 3 dB. And here the power will be again half. In the lab task number 1, you have to design an RC low-pass filter having a cutoff frequency of 5 kHz. This is the circuit for the RC low-pass filter. Here you can see you are taking the output across the capacitor, so this circuit will act as a low pass filter. If you take the output across the capacitor, then the circuit will act as a high pass filter. You already know how to derive the transfer function. So after deriving the transfer function for the low pass filter of using this circuit, you will have this equation. You can also convert this equation to this form using the basic math conversion techniques. The cutoff frequency of an RC circuit is FC equal to 1 over 2 pi RC. Here the value of pi will be 3.14. The phase of an RC circuit will be RC low pass filter circuit will be minus tan inverse of omega over omega c, which is derived from here minus tan inverse of pi over x. So in order to design a low pass filter having a cutoff frequency of 5 kilohertz, you are going to use this cutoff frequency equation. Here the cutoff frequency is already given. If you suppose the value of capacitor, you can see here, we have supposed the value of capacitor to be 9.08 nanofarad. FC is 5 kilohertz. You can find the value of R. So using this equation, find the value of R and use the value of resistor and capacitor here. So your circuit will be designed at a cutoff frequency of 5 kilohertz. This is how you design a low pass filter having a cutoff frequency of 5 kilohertz. In lab task number 2, you have to design a RC high pass filter having a cutoff frequency of 5 kHz. This is the circuit for the high pass filter. Here you can see now we are taking the output across the resistor and this circuit will be acting as a high pass filter. This is the transfer function of the high pass filter. You can also convert this equation to this form using the basic math conversion technique. The cutoff frequency of an RC circuit is again FC equal to 1 over 2 pi RC. Here the value of pi will be 3.14. Again, if you suppose the value of capacitor, you can find the value of R. So use the values here of the capacitor and resistor and you will have your RC high pass filter of your desired cutoff frequency, which is here in this case is 5 kilohertz. Here the phase of the RC high pass filter is minus tan inverse of omega c minus omega c over omega. You can use this formula for finding the phase. So this is how you design a RC high pass filter having your desired cutoff frequency. You are going to use this table for your calculation. You are going to use these frequencies in your calculation. This omega will be the frequency in the radian. Here you will have the magnitude of your circuit output. This output voltage you are going to find it using your simulation. Here you can find the gain in dBs using the formula 20 log of V out over V in. Here V out will be this output voltage that you will measure from the circuit. And you are going to find the phase using this formula minus tan inverse of omega over omega c for the low pass filter. This table is for the low pass filter. Similarly, you are going to use the same table for the high pass filter, only this and this formula will be changed. See the lab manual for the post lab task, do all the calculations and attach it with your lab report and manual. This is all for the lab. Thank you.